First on our list are self-sustaining eco-homes. These houses are designed to produce their own energy using solar panels and wind turbines while collecting rainwater for daily use. Many even recycle waste on-site, meaning they can operate almost completely off the grid. In 2025, eco-homes aren't just about saving the planet. They're about saving money and creating independence from rising utility costs. Second, are AI-powered homes. These spaces learn your routines and adjust lighting, temperature, and even music to match your mood. Smart assistants are now integrated across multiple devices, making your home feel like it truly has a mind of its own. Next are modular and 3D printed homes. Using giant robotic printers, walls and structures can be created layer by layer. Entire houses can be built in weeks instead of months. The result is affordable, durable housing that's also highly customizable, a game changer for urban living. Number 4 on our list are smart security homes. Equipped with AI-powered cameras, facial recognition, and biometric locks, these homes take safety to the next level. Some even feature drone patrols that activate when you're away, offering unmatched peace of mind. Finally, we have wellness-focused smart homes. These designs prioritize health with advanced air purification, circadian lighting that improves sleep, and sensors to track air and water quality. Some even include indoor gardens and meditation spaces, blending technology with well-being. Those were 5 of the most innovative smart home designs in 2025. Which one would you love to live in? Tell us in the comments! And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative ideas from Jungle of Concrete.